Welcome, teen chefs. Can you guys believe you're standing here in the Chopped kitchen?
No.
There are 3 rounds, appetizer, entree, and dessert. Each course has its own basket of mystery ingredients. You must use every ingredient in the basket in some way. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will be chopped. Please open your baskets. And you must use gummy bacon, salmon fillets, frozen lima beans, and lemon sorbet. You will have 30 minutes to prepare your appetizers. Time starts now.
When I step into the kitchen, the cook in me takes over and makes sure that what happens is nothing but spectacular. I'm gonna make a blackened salmon with lima bean puree.
My heart is racing. This is the show I've watched forever, and all of a sudden, I'm a contestant. I want to make a seared salmon and use that lemon sorbet to make a creamy lemon buttery sauce with chives and cilantro.
Growing up in a house that was really into food, it was natural for me to be a foodie, and then I realized that I was actually good at cooking. I want to go an Asian route, so I started making a marinade for the salmon.
Salmon is pretty much a one-note fish, and it needs bold flavors, so I grabbed cumin, paprika, soy sauce, and honey. I'm going to build a culinary empire.
I'm looking at this gummy bacon sauce, and I'm thinking I can't have 2 sauces on top of 1 piece of fish. I need to make this into a vinaigrette, and I need some salad component. Can I borrow your salad?
Oh, yeah, sure, go ahead.
It feels terrifying and surreal. My heart is in my stomach.
And 1 minute left on the clock, chefs.
$10,000 at stake. You're also representing your high school, you know?
Yeah.
Everyone in your school is gonna know you're a Chopped champion.
I want the goat cheese on the plate. It'll give it that creaminess and that richness that the dish really, really needed.
And we're looking at 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. What do you have, Noah?
Hi, chefs. I prepared for you today an Asian-inspired grilled salmon on top of a pureed lima bean and the fresh mixed green salad.
You vacuum sealed your salmon. Why did you do that?
I attempted.
You've never done it before?
I've never used it before. It was the first time today.
I love the marinade. It did really go into the fish, and it kind of glazed it.
Thank you very much.
Shania.
Hello, chefs. Today I prepared for you a Asian-inspired salmon topped with goat cheese, served alongside a lima bean and baby spinach salad.
I really love the way you plated it. Beautiful. It's absolutely stunning.
Next up, Romilly.
Hello, chefs. Today I've made for you a crispy skinned salmon. There is a lima bean and mint puree, and there's a little arugula salad on the side tossed with the candied bacon vinaigrette.
I don't believe that I'm gonna say this, but a gummy bacon vinaigrette paired with arugula is pretty dynamite.
And finally, Joel.
What I made for you is a blackened salmon with a lima bean puree, mixed berry and arugula salad with a gummy bacon lemon sorbet vinaigrette.
You really made us an appetizer. Portion here, and the salmon is truly blackened.
All 4 of you came out of the gates so strong in that round, but unfortunately, one exceptional teen chef has to be the first chopped. So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Romilly, you've been chopped. Joel, Shania, Noah, we have to get into the entree round. Please open your baskets. And we have cotton candy, chicken cutlets, Brussels sprouts, and French fried onions. 30 minutes for the main course round. Time starts now.
I'm figuring just make lightly spiced chicken cutlets that are breaded with French fried onions.
I want to do pan-roasted chicken that's spiced really aggressively. So I grab paprika, coriander, and mustard powder.
So I'm thinking about to coat my chicken with this French fried onion, and I'll add some panko to make the chicken still maintain moisture.
All right, chefs, 2-minute warning.
It's 2 minutes now. I taste my sauce, and I'm saying it's a little too bland. So I add 2 kaffir lime leaves, and it tastes okay. So I start plating it. Presentation is always a main factor. I try to be a perfectionist, because, you know, as an artist, you gotta represent.
1 minute left, chefs.
Time today is not my friend. rushing and splashing stuff on plates, and the chicken looks burned, and it's just a hot mess.
30 seconds.
I'm worried about presentation. I want a little bit of garnish, so I run to the pantry.
Behind. Where's he going?
What?
That's a very strange time to go to the pantry.
I realized that at no point did I salt dry a dish. And I remember seeing some fleur de sal.
10, 9, 8, 7,
Go.
6,
Oh my
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back.
He ran for finishing salt. He ran for finishing salt at the last minute.
I know.
Shania.
Hi, chefs. I've prepared for you a lightly spiced French onion-crusted chicken cutlet, served alongside a warm Brussels sprout and bacon salad with red wine and cotton candy sauce.
I love that the flavors really come through in the chicken, and this mix between bitter from the Brussels, salty from the bacon played off nice.
Joel.
Chefs, what I made for you today is a spiced fried onion-crusted chicken cutlet with roasted balsamic Brussels sprouts and a cotton candy bourbon butter sauce.
I love how you celebrate the aesthetic of plating. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful to look at.
Next up, Noah.
Hi, chefs. I prepared for you today a pan-roasted chicken cutlet on a sweet potato puree with crispy Brussels sprouts and French fried onions and an orange cotton candy sauce.
You definitely win the award for the most dramatic presentation I've seen in a long time.
Ever.
Thank you.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Joel, you've been chopped. Chef Shania, Chef Noah, who's gonna take this thing?
I hope I do.
You can try.
Let's open these baskets. And for dessert, you must use zucchini, chocolate cake mix, crème fraîche, and movie theater popcorn. You will have 30 minutes for the final course. Time starts now. And the fight to the finish begins.
So then I'm thinking ice cream. Right away, start the anglaise so that I can have a custard.
I want to make a chocolate cake crepe. Time's counting down, so I just grab a pan, throw some sugar in it, some water. There you go, candy zucchini. Being such a perfectionist and having such little time on the clock left is completely nerve-wracking. I'm losing my mind.
All right, chefs, this is your last minute, 60 seconds.
I'm worried about Shania. Honestly, I don't know if Shania's gonna finish. Come on, you can finish this, Shania.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Noah.
Today I prepared for you a deconstructed ice cream sundae with a chocolate ice cream, caramelized zucchini, a popcorn brittle, and cinnamon crème fraîche.
The things I love about this dessert are the ice cream and the popcorn. You really nailed something familiar and deep in flavor.
Last dessert, Chef Shania.
Hi, judges. I made for you today a chocolate cake crepe filled with crème fraîche, and it's topped with macerated raspberries, candied zucchini, and a popcorn crumble.
Do you make crepes a lot?
Yes, I do.
This is the best crepe I've ever had on this show.
Whose dish is on the chopping block? Noah, you've been chopped. And that means, Chef Shania Thomas, that you are the first ever teenage chop champion. Congratulations.
Thank you.
How's $10,000 sound?
It means a whole lot more than just the money. I'm so, so happy, and I know that I made my brother proud, and that's something that I hold on to.